guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, and kama kawaida, as usual, we give thanks to God for blessing us with another beautiful day. So guys, I want to start by shouting out Smoking Blood, Safety Kum, and Joanne Koech. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for joining Almax Kenya family. You're my gang guys. Thank you for making us grow each and every day. Thank you guys for your support. When you have just subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. There's a notification bell right besides it. Don't forget to click it so that anytime I upload a video, you can get it first. So guys, today's video is about guava leaves. In Kiswahili we call it mapera. Most of us grow it at our homes, at our rural homes. They are commonly found even in the market senye kuna season. So did you even know guys that guava leaves are very important to our health? You can lose weight using the guava leaves. You can also darken your hair using the guava leaves. There's a recipe for you guys that at the end of the video, I've given a recipe whereby you can be able to know how to prepare the leaves and drink it as a drink, like tea or coffee. And trust you me guys, you're gonna like the outcome. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do this guys. So guys, hope you like the information out there. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Also share out there. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this video. For now, it's a wrap, guys. Until next time.